training, when you're doing anything, right? And I like this T.S. Ranganath chanting. T.S.
Okay.
Ranganath chanting is the vibrations is very high. Just hold on one second.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can I got a book by name Lalita Sahasranama only. I
just
brought
hold
to
on,
you.
1 second.
I did not get T.S. Ranganathan publication. I got.
Tell me, ma'am. I'm sorry, I did not hear you.
I got publication by Sri Lakshmi Narayana Sharma. So I did
Okay.
not get T.S. Ranganathan. I've got on the YouTube there.
No, no. T.S. Ranganathan has not explained. He only has sang the song and
Yeah.
he has sang Saundarya Lahari also.
Okay.
He has sang it in ten verses. It has
Okay.
come out very beautifully. T.S.
Yeah.
Ranganathan's Saundarya Lahari is like, it is like a trance video. It's like
Okay.
if you start listening to it,
Okay.
right? You will
Okay.
just simply get lost in it.
No,
It is
like I
that
just
beautiful.
just
His
got a
sound
book,
itself,
I just
right?
got this Ashtotara book, In that I have Lalita Shatanamavali by
Okay,
Lakshmi
okay.
Narayana Sharma.
Any author is fine. There is
But
no
in the morning
specific.
I will listen to him. That will be better, I think, on YouTube.
Yes, T.S. Ranganathan has
Yes, ma'am.
both.
As soon as you said, I took out from YouTube, I saw and I heard a few lines. I was
Oh,
curious to
okay, okay.
know.
Yes, ma'am. Anybody wants to talk? Yeah,
Ma'am,
Jagannath. Yeah, go ahead.
ma'am, during chanting, will the
Mm-hmm.
lyrics displayed on the screen?
No, actually, it is not displayed because people from different locations are joining, and people Kannada, Hindi, English, many are joining. So initially, if you had joined the classes, right, it would have been like I would have told. I had shared the lyrics also, but then yeah. So you can today for today you can listen what I chant, and then probably from next class, every Amavasya and every Purnima, I plan to continue this class. And I also have created one more separate group where people are volunteering, where people want to continue learning on a daily basis or a Tuesday or Friday kind of a thing, where I'll explain more about meanings. Okay, so if you like, if you can join the volunteer group, then and stay connected with this group, don't exit. So you will get to know about the updates and what's happening and stuff like that.
Soumya, ma'am, how is your son doing today? Hope
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
fine.
he's all good. He's all good. He's
Oh,
fine. Fever
that's
will continue for 2, 3 days.
yeah.
It
Glad to
is
know.
okay.
Glad to
Yeah,
know.
it will be fine. So actually, for learning, right, Jagan Mohini ma'am, I had told initially that you should start with one line.
Okay.
One line. Okay. Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, Devakarya Samudita. One line, you start making post-its. Post-its and keep sticking it to your office table, college table, your kitchen, your fridge, wherever you go, right? 2, 3, or 4, 5 post-its. And then carry that particular slip in the paper in your purse also, and then you start underlining, then it will come to your verbally it will become by heart, then move to the second line. So it is a thousand names cannot be learnt or digested in one go. That is one thing, and it needs a constant effort, that regularly you should put effort to learn and evolve. That is the only way, because sometimes some people find it very difficult to learn.
Mood
Uh,
papa.
yeah.
Korba.
Vijay, anybody else want to share something? We will wait for another 2, 3 minutes. Vijay ma'am, JP sir, yeah, I don't know. If you want to share something, you can unmute yourself and share, because I've seen you attending almost all the classes, I think. You need to just unmute in case if you want to talk. Happy Dashera. I cannot speak. All right, that's fine. That's okay. Happy Dashera to all of you. Okay, now I'll just start off. Let people join little later. It is okay. We'll catch up with them. Okay, Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopa Shantiye Prasanna Sarva Vignopa Shantiye. Somebody corrected me yesterday. Yes.
ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்.
Now attending from US, your voice is in this atmosphere. All right. Thank you so much. Great. I'll start off with the mantras first. So people who join later, they can just catch up with that particular thing. Okay. Record is already on. Okay. So first, yesterday I had shared I had shared this particular, it is coming like flashcards. One other group is making every line as flashcards in Kannada with the meaning and sharing it across. So I am sharing I am following that particular group and I'm sharing it across in my group and also explaining it. Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadhama Bhushita. Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadhama Bhushita. Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadhama Bhushita. Ratna Kinkini means red color rubies. Ratna Mayavada. Like red color rubies and jingles, anklets. So her what do you say, dabu, we will put we will put dabu, like what do they tell in Kannada, English, I don't know, like women in Indian tradition, right? Even Devi, towards her stomach or the near the what do you say, center of the stomach, we put dabu. We hold a jewel instrument, ornament, which reflects her flat stomach also. Like it makes her very beautiful. That ornament, vadanam. Okay, vadanam. Okay. So that vadanam, it makes that particular ornament is made so beautifully that it has red rubies and jingles, small jingles, which is like adding beauty to her. Ratna Kinkini Karamya means Sundaravada. ಡಾಬು ಶೋಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ದೇವಿಯು ರತ್ನಮಯವಾದ ಕಿರು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅಲಂಕೃತವಾದ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಶೋಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. So this also says that Devi by itself is an iconography of healthy, beautiful, who focuses on herself. So any women or men, right? If you have a unhealthy body, that also reflects that you're not taking care of yourself. So, beauty is not just for others, or even being healthy is not just for others. It is for yourself. If you have a healthy, fit and fine body, so it will help you do the spiritual sadhana to the highest. So, your energy levels, the Daiva Shakti or a Prana Shakti, your energy levels will be vibrating at a higher level, and you will be doing things efficiently. It is like 2 hours of job, you will be doing it in 20 minutes time. That is the efficiency level what you reach if you take care of your diet, your exercise, your physical appearance also. Your physical appearance, for example, if you have a huge stomach or fat in your stomach or in your body, if it is obese or if you're over thin, right? Some people, if they have some particular problem, that is fine, but try to make sure it is not about fat body or lean body or anything. Healthy body is more important. So if you keep yourself healthy, right? And Devi also represents that beauty also, or making your dressing up yourself is not for somebody else. It is a positive energy. Even the clothes carry energy. So it is like it gives you confidence if you have dressed up well. The same thing if you have dressed up in not so good dress, if you're not made your hair, if you're not if you're not giving importance to yourself, even for the looks, right, the energy will drop. Anything which drops the energy is not recommended. Okay. So this is the meaning. Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadama Bhushita. Wearing that Vadanam, like that in Kannada we tell Dabu. Dabu also is like it has rubies in it and jingles in it. It is adding the beauty of her. At the same time, it is also stating that, right, every woman or man should focus on their self, even on the physical appearance also. Okay. So 13 of them are there. Okay. Anybody has any questions? There is Happy Dashera to all. Thank you so much for joining on this day. And today will be the last day. Post this, we will connect on full Purnima or on the full moon day or the Amavasya. Okay. Anybody say face the situation where the family members are not supportive? My husband does not support me. My wife does not support me. My children does not support me. That is why I am not able to do the spiritual sadhana and all those things. Or any complaints you have in your life? Anybody? No complaints. Nobody has any complaints. You can type in, type in. You can type or unmute and speak. We always tell we need supportive environment, right? To grow and other things. And we tell that is always there, ma'am. Like they're not supportive. They're supportive or not supportive? No. Have you thought back? Very good. So, in many situations, what happens is when the family members are not supportive, what do you feel? You feel sad, you feel left out, you feel they're not understanding you, you feel bad. Then what will happen next? You'll start turning yourself towards the God, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So the moment the family members and the people around you does not support you, does not encourage you, does not respect you, or whatever it is, like whatever you're doing, immediately what you will do, you will start turning towards the spiritual path. You'll start searching answers and you'll start searching towards the spiritual path, right? If they were supportive, if they were encouraging, if they were loving you too much, if they were taking care of you very nicely, what would have happened? You wouldn't have turned towards the spiritual path. You would have only stuck to making sure, okay, your husband, your children, your in laws, everything is taken care 24 bar 7, 365 days. You're busy taking care of them or you're busy pleasing them because they are loving you or they're showing you that they're loving you. So you want to make sure you want to look good to them. You want to look good to them. So you will be overdoing also. You will be like not even taking out 5 minutes of time for yourself. You're so busy that you want to take care of them. Right? Agree with me? Type,
Yes.
type, type, type. Please type. Otherwise, I will not know whether you. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, so what happens is when somebody in the family or the people around you does not like you, it is like just because they are not supportive, they are not helpful to you, they don't connect with you, or they don't value you, or they don't respect you, you have turned towards a spiritual path. Spiritual path is the actual path any human should follow to reach the divine energy. So they are helping you move towards the spiritual path. So indirectly, you should thank those people around you who are not supporting you, who are not connecting with you, who are not pleasing you, who are not encouraging you. So indirectly, these are the people, these you think they are enemies, they are very bad people. But because of this bad people, you have chosen the spiritual path. So you should be thankful to them by heart. Agree with me? Agree with me? Yes, that is the reality. That is the reality. So you should thank them. You should not have revenge, or you should not feel bad. You should not, even you should not tell them that you're bad because of their because of their character is what you have moved to the spiritual path and you are evolving. So you should all thank them. So the gist of the story is lotus blooms only in the dirty water. Lotus blooms only in the dirty
Dirty
water.
water.
Yes. So, whoever bad people are there around you, right? Start thanking them. Start thanking them. Okay. And then I'll just tell one more small story and then I'll tell my story and then we will start off with the chanting. There was once Rishi, okay. He was sitting under some tree or something, and there one person comes and he tells, "I don't have a house to stay. What do I do? I've been like I am homeless. I'm doing all possible effort, all possible things I'm doing, but I am not able to have one particular shelter around my head and my family and stuff like that." So you know what the Rishi tells? Take a matka pot and put it ulta on the tree branch, somewhere inside on top of the tree in one of the branches, put it ulta. Okay. The moment a bird comes and makes nest in that particular pot, right? You all your bad karmas will get away, the bird will bless you, and things will start flowing fine in your life, and you will get a shelter. Did you understand what I told? So even a bird blesses. So it is like he told, the moment a bird comes and makes a nest in that particular pot, in the tree, it will bless. So in olden days, have you seen there used to be a custom of putting sugar to the ants? Anybody
Yes.
knows that? Anybody knows that? Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. JP sir is giving heads up, thumbs up. Anybody else? Do you know, like for small ants, they used to put sugar in front of the house. Anybody? Nobody knows. Only one person. Yes. Okay. You know why? You know why? Why they used to put
Food for
sugar?
the ant.
Why they used to put? Why they used to put the sugar to the ant? That is the question.
Blessings.
Offering ahara. Yeah. Offering ahara. Yes. Ahar. Food for ant. Yes. True. But you know, even the ants will bless us. And even the ants' blessings will take away our bad karma and it will uplift us. So, the simplest thing what our ancestors had practiced is, at least don't do big things. Don't search and go and help people. At least the simplest thing, put little sugar or some rava or something, some food to the ants. Even the ants will have their own family, their own group of ants, their own like chain of family. So it is like feeding. So even they will bless the person who's put the ant. So you're getting blessings. But unfortunately, even that uh, simplest thing what our ancestors had introduced to get the blessing from outside, we are not following. Okay, so we're like putting the food to the birds, putting the ant sugar to the ants, feeding birds and squirrels and animals, cow and all these things. What is happening? It is not just feeding.
We are
They'll get,
removing our karma.
sure,
Ma'am,
they will, even if you don't put the food, they will get the food. Okay, it is to get away with your karma, bad karma, which you have done in many lives, and it will help you evolve in your current life, and it will help you open up the spiritual path. Yes, removing past bad karma, but nobody is doing that, right? Talking is separate, but implementing it in your life is more important. Talking is talking is easy, but everybody know that putting sugar to ant is easy, but nobody does it, right? That is the key. Only when festival comes or only when somebody tells you are going through difficult time in life. So let me, we will give you one solution. Go feed a cow, go feed this, go feed crow, that, this, and all they'll tell. Only at that time when the priest tells, then only you will realize. Otherwise, no. So being spiritual is at every step of your life, you're connected with yourself and nature, animals, people who come in touch with you. It will just uplift your life. Your life is not just meant for the children around and not just meant only for the earning money. It is not only meant for earning money. Money is needed just for survival. But our life is to experience the beautiful aspects of life and evolve, learn, and many things. So, okay, not many people have joined because today is Dashera and stuff like that, but still I'll continue. So this is Soumya here. Jagan Mohini has joined to first today. Every day in my puja mandir, ants eat sugar candies as soon as I offer. Wonderful. So you are getting blessings. Very
Thank
nice.
you very much, ma'am. I thank you very much for the kind information.
Yeah, we will be thinking, what is this ant coming to my puja room, disturbing
Every
me?
day I think like that only, ma'am. But today I came to know that the reality of that.
Unknowingly, you're getting blessings, huh?
Thank you very much, ma'am, for giving
Yeah,
that
see, unknowingly,
information.
you'll be doing so many good things also, which will be protecting you, your family, your children, and many other people. Okay. So, since I told, I'll tell something about myself. This is Soumya here. Born and brought up in a mediocre family, kind of a thing. Parents are still there around and they are going through the old age phase and stuff like that. And I was born in a like mediocre in the sense like there was at one point like even to buy the at least blind following also gives good. Yes. Good and blessed results, yes. By just blindfold following, even the mantras, you don't have to know the names. You don't have to chant any mantra, do any ritual, nothing. Just by heart, if you just connect to the divine energy, things will change. Things will start changing. And there's one more story also. I had heard it from in some Dattatreya Charitre or something. There a person will be going through this leprosy disease. Okay, so he's untouchable from the society, people, everybody would have sidelined him. So he will meet one priest or some Rishi or some enlightened soul, and that Rishi will tell, I will give you one Audumbara stick. Audumbara is a very auspicious tree. If you people don't know, you can research about it. Lakshmi Narasimha resides in that. Dattatreya also resides in it. When Lakshmi Narasimha did that, what do you say? Hiranyakashipu, yeah, like
Siri
when
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
yeah. So the nails also was filled with so much of Kalkotaka poison that he had taken a very ferocious form. Lakshmi Narasimha was very like ferocious. That time Lakshmi Devi came and put that Audumbara Vriksha's Attikai to the nails, and the Audumbara Vriksha, that that fig fruits, it absorbed the poison from the nails, and Lakshmi Narasimha came back to the Shantarupa. So he blessed the tree Audumbara Mara. That Audumbara, it is called, what other name it is called? I don't know English name. It is a fig tree which will be there in every Dattatreya temple. So that tree, right? It has Lakshmi Narasimha and Dattatreya also residing in that. That is the story. So Audumbara Vriksha, one dried stick he'll give. He will give a dried stick, and he'll tell, go plant it and start watering with bhakti. The day it starts growing, your leprosy disease will start vanishing. So that is the solution he gave. So this guy, for 1 month, 2 months or something, though it was a dried stick, it started branching out, it started growing, and he got away with his disease. That is what, in one of the Satcharitre, it was, that story is there. I just glad to know new things today of Audumara Vriksha. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes. And many things like that. And yeah, had a troublesome childhood little bit, and then moved on. Then somehow things got in my favor. I got a very good score in second PUC, and then engineering, and then some incident took place where I saw some people dying in front of me, and that made me think a lot, and that put me into questioning what is life, why are we born, and other things. And then I got married also. Then I was blessed with children, and I was traveling, shuttling between India and US. I stayed in US for 6 years, and in US what happened was I was staying close to YMCA community. In India also YMCA is there. So YMCA community, I was surprised to see that people are in queue for the yoga classes and meditation classes, which the base is India. The base is India, and I am staying in US. I myself, I don't do yoga and meditation. This is way back in 2007 or 8, I think. So it is like 20 years back almost. Then I was like questioning myself. Yes, there should be something that people are getting, and the slots are so booked. You're not getting slots. You have to book and wait for yoga classes, meditation classes. The origin is India, and I being Indian, and I'm going through so many challenges. I'm seeking questions like, where will I find answers to? Where will people go? Why some people are chosen for trouble, or why some people are bad, why some people are good, why some are rich, why some people are born disabled, some people, like, I had so many questions, why people die early, and many things. Slowly I started meditation at that age only, and then I started feeling a little calmer, and then I started reading book about The Secret, The Law of Attraction by Brian Ronde. There is a documentary also, and I started following Asta channel, Sister Shivani from Brahma Kumari. I followed her for some time, and then I visited Mount Abu also. Then went to Isha Foundation, Sadhguru, and then to what uh, Art of Living, Ravi Shankar. So, and then finally I started reading Osho meditation books. Osho meditation series books, they were like mind eye opener for me. I just fell in love with Osho meditation series of books. And then finally, I also found physical gurus neighboring to my houses. Like there was a couple, 80, 90 years old couple from Raghavendra Swami temple. Like, I don't know if many people know Mantralaya. So there was a temple associated, like, close by to my house, mom's house, parents' house. So they started connecting with me, and that is where my spiritual journey started. Okay, by birth, I'm not a Brahmin, or I'm not a spiritual person, but I was blessed with elderly people. I also saw them suffering while dying, that they got cancer and many other things. Like they lost their son at the 80th year. Like Aji was 80 years and Tata to 80 plus years, and they saw their son dying in Ganesha Chaturthi. He had gone to leave the Ganesha inside the water, and he fell down and he also died. So many things made me think a lot, think a lot, think a lot. I was like searching, reading many books and questioning myself also. And in the process, I also started going to Ramakrishna Ashram Mutt, where they used to like read Bhagavad Gita Pravachana and many other things. So this 22 years of journey, all of a sudden something changed when I met Vanita Shinde, the guru, what I used to share. So she started teaching me Lalita Sahasranama. What potential she had seen in me, I really don't know. But without my knowledge, she started teaching me, and I learned it for no reason, unknowingly. Like blindly, I started learning just because she's showing me so much of love. Though I did not have any faith, yes, I have been blessed a lot. Yes, blessed a lot. So she started teaching me Lalita Sahasranama. Blindly, I started learning, but today it has become my strength. Okay, and also the Lalita Sahasrana, Lalita Devi painting, it is an iconography of Kanchi Kamakshi. And the moment 10 years back I painted, the moment I realized that there is something, it is not just the blessing. I have also gone through so much of troubles in life. Not that great supportive people, um, mute people. Okay, yeah, got it. Okay, so lot of troubles. Like I was diagnosed for cancer, but it was like 99% it was cancer. But last minute I was like told it is negative, it is not cancer. So I stayed in ICU for 2-3 days. It was a big realization, and again there I touched death, and again I touched death with 240 BP. Doctors came and asked like your brain is not ruptured, like nerve and brain is not ruptured. Your sight is not gone, your kidney is not failed, many things like that, miracles just happening. And my sister-in-law used to tell me, Didi, you're a blessed soul. Though it was cancer, I think it has got transformed itself into positive, like negative thing. So it is like such a miraculous thing happening in my life. I started questioning myself. And she made one statement, she told, Didi, you're touching my life so much, then you can touch many lives. Why limit yourself to just one life? So that statement made me think so deep. And also this year, 2025, believe me or not, I've been blessed to visit Kashi, Kumbh Mela, where millions of people are in queue, but I get a special darshan. I get a special darshan. And Kamakya, Ujjain, and the places which I had not planned for, it was like more than me seeing God, it was like God wanted to see me. It was that kind of a vibe, which even the fellow people who traveled along with me, they also felt the same. So it was like complete transformation. And Ajji's daily routine, the last guru what was there, her daily routine, she also had children from US who lived and all. Every day morning she used to make sure she feeds birds. She feeds birds. And she used to water the plants, and she used to tell, plants give me energy, plants talk to me. The flowers which come out from the plants which I watered with so much of love, I'm going to offering only those flowers to the God, not the ones which I bought it from market. The flowers which I grew with love, I will offer only those flowers to the God. And she used to put rangoli, and she used to tell it is like inviting God to come to my place. And she used to follow certain rituals. I used to really surprise myself. She used to eat only 2 fists of rice per day. 2 fists of rice in the lunchtime. She used to put 2 fists of rice, and she used to tell that is sufficient for a human. And every day she was a Baba Bhakte, Baba devotee. In India, there is Shankara channel, TV channel. She did not know YouTube. There was smartphone and all those times in 2015. She was not used to. In Shankara, daily Sai Baba Aarti will come exactly at 12 o'clock. In Shankara TV, live. It will come live. You know what she used to do? She used to keep the diyas, 2 diyas in her hand and do Aarti to the TV. Literally, she used to do Aarti exactly 12 o'clock. She'll be ready with the Aarti Baba Bhajan book. And along with the bhajan, what is going on in the TV, she will do the bhajan and she will do Aarti and she'll tell 12 to 12:30, I am very busy. You don't come. Even if you come, you should sit quiet. And you should also do bhajan. That was the faith and affection and love. I was like amazed seeing a 80 plus year old woman being so down to earth, so connected. So I'm a blessed soul. Yes, she has blessed me. And other thing which amused me was she used to do every Friday. I don't know if people know. Nirmala Mataji she used to follow. So she used to call they call Mataji to her. So Nirmala Mataji she used to follow. Jai Shri Mataji they used to tell. So she used to follow her and she used to keep her photo every Friday and make very little prasadam because she was diabetic by nature. She used to make very little prasadam. And that prasadam, if I go, I used to get that prasadam. It used to be so delicious that I used to wonder what will she put and make only this much prasadam. Like she told, I do it with love and affection. That's all. I mix love and affection. That's all. We make so much ghee, so much that, this, and all, but still it does not taste that good. But I used to get amazed. And she used to follow one foot soaking. Foot soaking is like you take a tub of warm water, and you put rock salt in that, and you light a lamp if required, like if required. Otherwise, even if you don't light the lamp, it is fine. And she used to keep her foot inside that water. That is a ritual which had come from Nirmala Mataji, is what she used to tell. And every day almost she used to soak her foot inside the warm water with rock salt. She used to tell the negative energy will go. The negative energy will go. And she used to make sure her foot is with socks most of the time. She used to tell, keep your foot warm and head cool. Keep your foot warm and head cool. So it is like she used to make sure, tell me, your foot is the one which is touching the earth and it is the source of energy. It is like it is like it has to be kept warm so that your body also does not get depleted with energy and other things. So she used to follow that, and she in Nirmala Mata Nirmala Devi, this thing Jai Shri like, she used to tell Jai Shri Mataji whenever she used to talk to me. Like we take the phone, I used to call from US also. We used to talk together, talk for hours together and all. Jai Shri Mataji she used to tell, and she used to tell one thing also, like bandhan they will put. Bandhan in the sense like every time you step out of the house, right? You just we just pray to God, right? Like that she used to follow chakra meditation. She used to put bandhan. Like they used to raise the chakras and tie the knot 3 times. So I think in you Google or YouTube, you'll find it. Mata Nirmala Devi and Bandhan. They used to put Bandhana. Like Bandhan, they used to raise the chakra and put the knot. 3 times she used to put. So every time she steps out of the house, she'll put that Bandhan, or while sleeping, she'll put, and morning when she raises. So it is like she's raising the energy across the 7 chakras. So the entire day she's energized. And night she used to never eat rice back again. She used to eat some breakfast, that too as early as possible. And our daily routine was Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, and Hanuman Chalisa. She's taught me Hanuman Chalisa also. Hanuman Chalisa, and then every time she used to keep doing Parayana, either Mahabharata or Bhagavatam or Sai Satcharitre or Guru Charitre or something, some Parayana she used to hold from afternoon after eating lunch, like 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. She used to always keep doing Parayana. Okay. I used to ask her, what do you get? What do you get? And all those things. It's like you're connecting to the divine energy, and every day, even if you write the same book, it is giving me a different meaning every time I read. And different author I read, I'm getting a different perspective towards life. And you know what death she died? She decided her death. She just got 3 days fever. I was also not there. I was like, I had met her 7 days back, and she just got simple fever, and she just went to restroom and came back, and she herself decided, and she put her head to the side. That's all. No suffering, no bedridden, no nothing. That was a power what she had. She could decide that, okay, now my soul will go out of my body. I was like so amazed, every time whenever I go to her house, first thing she'll feed me. She'll feed me either milk or Horlicks or tea or something. She'll feed me. It's like the connect was like, it's like more than, forget about daughter. It is like more than anything. That is why their children came and gifted me her earring and all. Okay, even today they know that I am so connected to her. I have so much of blessings and all. So she used to feed me quickly something, and she used to take one of the book, like spiritual book, open randomly. I was going through a lot of financial problem and then family relationship problem, many things. Okay, so let's not discuss. So every time she opens a book, she'll read one line and she'll tell, today this is the message for you. Today this is the message for you. And fortunately, that message will be very relevant to what's happening in my life. Okay, I choose to connect so much. So wherever our soul is, let it let it rest in peace. And this initiative is because of her, because she taught me Lalita Sahasranama, and even to capability of answering some satsang questions also is because of her blessings. Okay. Anybody has any questions? We'll start the chanting Lalita Sahasranama. Ah, this is the power of the universe. Yes. And using this like this group, right, we have spent around 9,000 rupees and plus 1,000 for the Zoom registration. We have collected around 2,103 rupees, but still if people want to contribute, you can contribute so that we can continue reaching the right set of people. Otherwise, also, thank you so much for taking out 1 hour of time and connecting on this call and making this session happen. And I will continue, whether irrespective of I get what kind of support, like volunteers have joined for painting classes and also painting workshop, and also for to help in the Lalita Sahasranama and Satsang group. I will be talking to them later when I get time. And the spiritual retreat also I have shared. That is fine. That is okay. That's okay. No problem. Okay, so we will start the chanting, and anybody else has any questions? More power to you, Nalini Ramesh. Ah, thank you so much. Here there is one my connect from Landmark. I did Landmark Forum. If people don't know about Landmark Forum also has added lot of value to my life, my children, my parents' family, and all those things. Landmark Forum is it's not a satsang. It is a different level of a 3 days program. It happens. It's a US initiative. It happens worldwide. If you people have not attended it, you should attend it. It will add lot of value. And Nalini Ramesh, I met her in Landmark Forum. She is also a beautiful soul, elderly soul, and the takeaway what I've got from Landmark Forum is like too much. Even today, I attend Landmark Forum courses. I volunteer there. I enroll people also for Landmark, and it is a beautiful platform to, what do you say, to unfold yourself. Okay, 2017 I did. 2015 I repeated. 2017 I got my daughter also done because she was facing challenge with India and US schools. So today she is 18 years and grown up. That is secondary. Son is 10 plus years. They're all in their role. Son also I've got him done. Daughter has repeated landmark. It is a little expensive program. Nalini ma'am, you want to tell something about landmark? Please share. It will be helpful for people. You want to unmute and speak? It will be great. People will get to know about you. Unmute. Okay, just hold on. I should allow you. Just hold on. Yeah, now you try unmuting, ma'am. Now you can try unmuting. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so I was also very fortunate to attend the Landmark Forum at this age. One of my cousins advised me to attend this. It did a lot of changes, brought a lot of changes in me. So I should be very thankful to everyone. It was a very nice seminar, and I'm still going through it right now. Yeah. So
Yeah.
would advise everyone, to go join this. It transforms in many ways. Could you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm hearing you. Lovely. Thank you so much. It is a little expensive program for 3 days. I think they're charging in Indian currency around 28,000, but still it is worth it. It is a gift for yourself. Anybody in India across the world also can attend. Going through any challenges in your life, it will simply unfold. Right,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, you're correct. Yes.
It will simply unfold.
That's how I
And
see you. That's how I got
yes.
connected. I could to you
Yes.
because
That
of
is so nice of you that I got to meet you also. And
that.
she feeded me lunch, breakfast, invited me to her home, and I went to her house and took her like she like did so many varieties for me and she was waiting. I'm so thankful. Yeah.
It was a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Stay connected. Please be all of you. Please encourage each other to be part of this group, satsang. Share it to your near and dear ones. Let it touch as many people as it can. Okay, I'm also creating my YouTube videos, Insta videos. So wherever possible, share it to your network if you feel that it is good. Okay, I'm doing it in Kannada and English, whatever it is, like, and everybody's path is unique. You cannot follow anybody. Whatever books, gurus, and all the everybody, right? They are good in their own way, but reflect back your own life, your own surrounding, your own upbringing, your own financial situation, your own children around, or parents around, or whatever situation. Based on that need, you have to evolve and pick what works for you. You cannot follow whatever I am saying. Whatever resonates with you, you have to pick that particular thing. Start with one thing. For example, sun soaking, or blessing the water, or touching the earth and taking the blessings, or putting sugar to ant. Something very simple ones. Simple things in life done with extraordinary love will have a huge, wonderful impact. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I will start the chanting. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीं मापीनवक्षोरुहां. As they choose good environment and give eye and knowledge, they usually charge that way. I did not understand, but then yeah. As they choose good environment and give eye and knowledge, they usually charge. We can talk. I did not get the point, but still, yeah, we later. All right. तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीं मापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यां मलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. If it was told for landmark that they're charging more, that's why they're giving good. No, there are a lot of institutes which are charging even lakhs together, but the impact in landmark is very, very unique, and the structure what they follow also is very unique. Okay, you cannot value with money. Is what I felt. Okay. ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः. श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञे श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूत देवकार्यसमुद्यत उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्य क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरा मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला चंपका अशोकपुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कजा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजा दलिकस्थलशोभिता मकचन्द्रकलङ्काभ भृगनाभिविशेषका वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्य गृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना नवचम्पकपुष्पाभा नासादण्डविराजिता ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी नासाभरणभासुरा कदम्बमञ्जरी क्लिप्ता कर्णपूरमनोहर ताटङ्कयुगलीभूत तपनोडुपमण्डला पद्मरागशिलादर्शि परिभाविकपोलभु नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्री नौकारिरदनच्छद शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरमीटिका मोद समाकर्षा दिगन्तर निजसल्लापमाधुर्य विनिर्भस्तिककच्चपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूर मज्जत्कामेशमानसा अनाकलितसादृश्या चिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्य सूत्रशोभितकन्दर कनकाङ्गदगेयूर कमनीय भुजान्वित रत्नकैवेय चिन्ताकलोल मुक्ताफलान्विता कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनि नाभ्यालवाल रोमालिलताफलकुचद्वै लक्ष्य रोमलताधार तासमुन्नेय मध्यम स्तनभारदलन्मध्य पट्टबन्धवलित्रय अरुणारुण कौस्तुम्भ वस्त्रभास्वातटी तटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्य रशनादामभूषिता कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्य माधवूरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्य मकुटाकार जालद्वय विराजिता इंद्रगोप परिषत्ता परतोरणभुजाङ्गिका गूढगुल्पा कुर्म प्रश्नो जैष्णु प्रभदान्विता नगदीदि सञ्चन्ना नमज्जन तमोगुणा पदद्वय प्रभाजाला पराकृत सरोरुहा शिञ्जाणमणि मञ्जीर मण्डित श्रीपदाम्बुजा मराली मन्दगमन महालावण्य शेवदी सर्वारुणन्नवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्ता शिवस्वाधीनवल्लभ सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्ता श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागर मध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी देवऋषिगणसङ्गाता स्तूयमानात्मवैभव भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्ता शक्तिसेना समन्विता सम्पत्करी समारूढा सिन्दूरवज्रसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिता श्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता चक्रराजरथारूढा सर्वायुधपरिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढा मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता गिरिचक्ररथारूढा दण्डनाथ पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनी काक्षिप्ता वह्नि प्राकार मध्यगा बण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्ता शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपा निरीक्षण समुत्सुका बण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्ता बाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचिता विशङ्गवततोषिता विशुक्रप्राणहरणा वाराही वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वर मुखालोका कल्पिता श्री गणेश्वरा महागणेश निर्विघ्न विघ्नयंत्र प्रहर्षिता बंडासुरेंद्र निर्मुक्ता शस्त्र प्रत्यस्तवर्षिणी करांगोली नगोत्पन्ना नारायण दशाकृति महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि निर्दग्धासुर सैनिका कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सबंडासुर शून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभवा हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्ध कामसञ्जीवनौषधि श्रीमद्भागवकूटैकस्वरूप मुखपङ्कज कण्ठादकटिपर्यन्त मध्यकूटस्वरूपिणी ಶಕ್ತಿಕೂಟೈಕತಾಪನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಯದೋ ಭಾಗಧಾರಿಣಿ ಮೂಲಮಂತ್ರಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಮೂಲಕೂಟತ್ರೈಕಲೇವರ ಕುಲಾಮೃತೈಕರಸಿಕ ಕುಲ ಸಂಕೇತ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಅಕುಲ ಸಮಯಾಂತಸ್ಥ ಸಮಯಾಚಾರ ತತ್ಪರ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರೈಕ ನಿಲಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಗ್ರಂಥಿ ವಿಭೇದಿನಿ ಮಣಿಪೂರಾಂತರುದಿತ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗ್ರಂಥಿ ವಿಭೇದಿನಿ ಆಜ್ಞಾಚಕ್ರಾಂತರಾಲಸ್ಥ ರುದ್ರಗ್ರಂಥಿ ವಿಭೇದಿನಿ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಂಬುಜಾರೂಢ ಸುಧಾಸಾರಾಭಿವಶಿಣಿ ತಟಿಲಸ ಸಮರುಷಿ ಷಟ್ಚಕ್ರೋಪರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥಿತ ಮಹಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಬಿಸತಂತು ತನೀಯಸಿ ಭವಾನಿ ಭಾವನಾಗಮ್ಯ ಭವಾರಣ್ಯ ಕುಟಾರಿಕಾ ಭದ್ರಪ್ರಿಯ ಭದ್ರಮೂರ್ತಿ ಭಕ್ತ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದಾಯಿನಿ ಭಕ್ತಿಪ್ರಿಯ ಭಕ್ತಿಗಮ್ಯ ಭಕ್ತಿವಶ್ಯಾಭಯಾಪಹ ಶಾಂಭವಿ ಶಾರದಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಶರ್ವಾಣಿ ಶರ್ಮದಾಯಿನಿ ಶಾಂಕರಿ ಶ್ರೀಕರಿ ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಶರಶ್ಚಂದ ನಿಬಾನನ ಶಾತೋದರಿ ಶಾಂತಿಮತಿ ನಿರಾಧಾರ ನಿರಂಜನ ನಿರ್ಲೇಪ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಾಕಾರ ನಿರಾಕುಲ ನಿರ್ಗುಣ ನಿಷ್ಕಲ ಶಾಂತ ನಿಷ್ಕಾಮ ನಿರುಪಫಲ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮುಕ್ತ ನಿರ್ವಿಕಾರ ನಿಷ್ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ನಿರಾಶ್ರಯ ನಿತ್ಯ ಶುದ್ಧ ನಿತ್ಯ ಬುದ್ಧ ನಿರವಧ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರ ನಿಷ್ಕಾರಣ ನಿಷ್ಕಲಂಕ ನಿರುಪಾಧಿ ನಿರೀಶ್ವರ ನಿರಾಗರಾಗಮದನಿ ನಿರ್ಮದಾ ಮದನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿಶ್ಚಿಂತ ನಿರಹಂಕಾರ ನಿರ್ಮೋಹ ಮೋಹನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರೋಧ ಕ್ರೋಧ ಶಮ ನಿರ್ಮಮ ಮಮತಾ ಹಂತ್ರಿ ನಿಷ್ಪಾಪ ಪಾಪನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರೋಧ ಕ್ರೋಧ ಶಮನಿ ನಿರ್ಲೋಭಾಲೋಭನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿಸ್ಸಂಶಯ ಸಂಶಯಗ್ನಿ ನಿರ್ಭವ ಭವನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿರ್ವಿಕಲ್ಪ ನಿರಾಬಾಧ ನಿರ್ಭೇದ ಭೇದನಾಶಿನಿ ನಿರ್ನಾಶ ಮೃತ್ಯುಮತಿನಿ ಮೃತ್ಯುಮತಿನಿ ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರಿಯ ನಿಷ್ಪರಿಗ್ರಹ ನಿಸ್ತುಲ ನೀಲಚಿಕರ ನಿರಪಾಯ ನಿರತ್ಯಯ ದುರ್ಲಮ ದುರ್ಗಮ ದುಃಖ ಹಂತ್ರಿ ಸುಖಪ್ರದ ದುಷ್ಟ ದೂರ ದೌರಾಚಾರ ಶಮನಿ ದೋಷವರ್ಜಿತ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಸಾಂದ್ರಕರಣ ಸಮಾನಾಧಿಕ ವರ್ಜಿತ ಸರ್ವಶಕ್ತಿಮಯಿ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಸದ್ಗತಿಪ್ರದ 200 we complete here. ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸರ್ವಮಯಿ ಸರ್ವಮಂತ್ರ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸರ್ವಯಂತ್ರಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸರ್ವತಂತ್ರ ರೂಪ ಮನೋನ್ಮಹಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೃಡಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಹಾರೂಪ ಮಹಾಪೂಜ್ಯ ಮಹಾಪಾತಕನಾಶಿನಿ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಮಹಾಸತ್ವ ಮಹಾಶಕ್ತಿರ್ ಮಹಾರಥಿ ಮಹಾಭೋಗ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಮಹಾವೀರ್ಯ ಮಹಾಬಲ ಮಹಾಬುದ್ಧಿರ್ ಮಹಾಸಿದ್ಧಿರ್ ಮಹಾಯೋಗೇಶ್ವರೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ಮಹಾತಂತ್ರ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ಮಹಾಯಂತ್ರ ಮಹಾಸನ ಮಹಾಯಾಗಕ್ರಮಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಮಹಾಭೈರವ ಪೂಜಿತ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಮಹಾಕಲ್ಪ ಮಹಾತಾಂಡವ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಣಿ ಮಹಾಕಾಮೇಶ ಮಹಿಷಿ ಮಹಾತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಚತುಷ್ಷಷ್ಟಿ ಪಾಶಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಚತುಷ್ಷಷ್ಟಿ ಕಲಾಮಯಿ ಮಹಾಚತುಷ್ಷಷ್ಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಯೋಗಿನಿ ನಿಗಣ ಸೇವಿತ ಮನುವಿದ್ಯಾ ಚಂದ್ರವಿದ್ಯಾ ಚಂದ್ರಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಗ ಚಾರು ರೂಪ ಚಾರುಹಾಸ ಚಾರು ಚಂದ್ರ ಕಲಾಧರ ಚರಾಚರ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ನಿಕೇತನ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪದ್ಮನಯನ ಪದ್ಮರಾಗ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ಪಂಚಪ್ರೇತಾಸನಾಸೀನ ಪಂಚಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಚಿನ್ಮಯಿ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಣ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಧ್ಯಾನಧ್ಯೇಯ ದೇಯ ರೂಪ ಧರ್ಮ ವಿಭಜಿತ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪ ಜಾಗರಣಿ ಸ್ವಪಂತಿ ತೈಜಸಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞಾತ್ಮಿಕ ತೂರ್ಯ ಸರ್ವಾವಸ್ಥಾ ವಿಭಜಿತ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ್ರಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರೂಪ ಗೋಪ್ರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸಂಹಾರಿಣಿ ರುದ್ರರೂಪ ತಿರುವುದಾನಕರೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸದಾಶಿವಾನುಗ್ರಹದ ಪಂಚಕೃತ್ಯ ಪರಾಯಣ ಭಾನುಮಂಡಲ ಮಧ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಭೈರವಿ ಭಗಮಾಲಿನಿ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನ ಭಗವತಿ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಉನ್ಮೇಷ ನಿಮಿಷೋತ್ಪನ್ನ ವಿಪನ್ನ ಭುವನಾವಳಿ ಸಹಸ್ರ ಶೀರ್ಷವದನ ಸಹಸ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸಹಸ್ರಪಾದ್ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಕೀಟ ಜನನಿ ವರ್ಣಾಶ್ರಮ ವಿದಾಯಿನಿ ನಿಜಜ್ಞಾರೂಪ ನಿಗಮ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಫಲಪ್ರದ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಸೀಮಂತ ಸಿಂಧೂರಿ ಕೃತ ಪಾದಾಬ್ಜಧೂಲಿಕ ಸಕಲಾಗಮ ಸಂದೋಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಂಪುಟ ಮೌಕ್ತಿಕ. This is the same chanting of Lalita Sahasranama. Yes, in Lalita Sahasranama, all gods are invited because Devi has the Shakti of all the gods. Lalita Devi has the entire universe Shakti. She has the power of all the gods. All 3 Mukoti Devan Devatas means 3 million Devatas Shakti Lalita Devi has. So all the names will come, starting from Dattatreya to I think Dakshinamurti, Daksha, Vishnu, whatever gods are there, right? Everybody has transformed their energy to her, and through that energy is what Lalita Devi has formed. Shruti Simanta Sinduri Krutapada Purushartha Prada Purna Bhogini Bhuvaneshwari Ambika Nadinidana Hari Brahmendra Sevita Narayani Nadarupa Namarupa Vajita Hinkari Himati Rudya Heyopadeya Vajita Raja Ragni Ramya Rajivalochana Ranjani Ramanirasya Ranatkinkini Megala Ramara Kenduvadana Ratirupa Ratipriya Rakshakari Rakshasagni Rama Ramanalampada Kavya Kamakala Kadamba Kusuma Priya Kalyani Jagati Kanta Karuna Rasasagara Kalavati Kalalapa Kanta Kadambari Priya Varada Vamanena Varuni Madhavipala विश्वादिका वेद वेद्या विंध्याचल निवासिनी विधात्री वेद जननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्र स्वरूप क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ पालिनी क्षय वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्जिता विमला विजया विमला वंद्या वंदारुजन वत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वनी मंडल वासिनी भक्तिमत कल्पलतिका पशुपाश विमोचिनी संवृता शेषपाषण्डा सदाचार प्रवर्तिका तापत्रयाग्नि संदब्धा समालादान चंद्रिका तरुणी तापसाराध्या तनुमध्य तमोपहा चितिस्तत्य लक्ष्याद्या चिदेकर स्वरूपिणी स्वात्मानंद विभूता ब्रह्माध्यानंद संतति परा प्रत्यक्ष चिति रूपा पश्यन्ति परदेवता मध्यमा वैखरी रूपा भक्तमानस हंसिका कामेश्वर प्राणनाडी कृतज्ञा काम पूजिता शृंगार रस संपूर्ण जया जालंधर स्थित ओड्याण पीठ निलय बिंदु मंडल वासिनी रहो याग क्रमाराध्या रहस्तर्पण तर्पिता सत्य प्रसादिनी विश्व साक्षिनी साक्षी वर्जिता षडंग देवता युक्ता शाकुण्य परिपूरिता नित्य क्लिन्ना निरुपमा निर्वाण सुखदायिनी नित्य षोडशिका रूपा श्रीकंठाद शरीरिणी complete close to 400. Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasid. We will be late for 5-10 minutes today also. I'm so sorry. Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasiddha Parameshwari Moola Prakriti Ravyakta Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini Vyapini Vividakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudalda Kaumudi Bhaktahada Tamobeda Bhanumad Bhanu Santati Shivaduti Shivaradhya शिवमूर्ति शिवंकरी शिवप्रिया शिवपरा शिष्टेष्टा शिष्ट पूजिता अप्रमेया स्वप्रकाश मनोवाचा मगोचरा चिच्चक्ति चेतना रूपा जड़ शक्ति जड़ात्मिका गायत्री व्यावृति संध्या द्विजवृंद निषेविता तत्वासना तत्वमयी पंचकोशांतर स्थिता निस्सीम महिमा नित्य यौवना मदशालिनी मदगुणितरत्ताक्षी मदपाटल गंडभू चंदनद्द दिग्धांगी चांपेय कुसुम प्रिया कुशला कोमलाकार कुरुकुल्ला कुलेश्वरी कुलकुंडालय कोलमार्ग तत्पर सेविता कुमार गणनाथांबा तुष्टिर्पुष्टिर्मतिर्द्युति शांति स्वस्तिमति कांतिर्नंदिनी विघ्ननाशिनी तेजोवती त्रिनयनां लोलाक्षी कामरूपिणी मालिनी हंसिनी माता मलयाचल निवासिनी सुमुखी नलिनी शुभ्रु शोभना सुरनायिका कालकंठी कांतिमती शोभिनी सूक्ष्मरूपिणी वज्रेश्वरी वामदेवी वयोवस्था विवर्जिता सिद्धेश्वरी सिद्धविद्या सिद्धमाता यशस्विनी विशुद्ध चक्र निलया रक्तवर्णा त्रिलोचना खट्वांगादिप्रहरणा वदनैक समन्विता पायसान्न प्रिया त्वस्ता पशुलोक भयंकरी अमृतादिमहाशक्ति संवृता डाकिनेश्वरी हनाताब्ज निलया श्यामाभा वदनत्वया डंशोश्वलाक्षमालादिधर रुधिर संस्थिता कालरात्र्यादिशक्दौदन वृद्धा सिद्धौदन प्रिया महावीरेन्द्र वरदा राकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी मणिपूराब्ज निलया वदनत्रय संयुता वज्रादिकायुधोपेता ढामर्यादिभिरावृता रक्तवर्णा मांसनिष्ठा गूढन्न प्रीतमानसा समस्त भक्त सुखदा लाकिन्यांबा स्वरूपिणी स्वादिष्टानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्र मनोहर शूलादायुध संपन्ना पीतवर्णा त्रिगर्भिता मेधोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बंदिन्यादि समन्विता दध्यन्नासक्त हृदय काकिनी रूपधारिणी मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढ़ पंचवक्रा संस्थिता अंकुशादि प्रेरणा ವರದಾದಿನಿಷೇವಿತ ಮುಗ್ಧೌದನಾಸಕ್ತಚಿತ್ತ ಯಾಕಿನ್ಯಾಂಬ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಆಜ್ಞಾಚಕ್ರಾಬ್ಜನಿಲಯ ಶುಕ್ಲವರ್ಣ ಷಡಾನನ ಮಜ್ಜಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾ ಹಂಸವತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಮನ್ವಿತ ಹರಿದ್ರಾನೈಕರಸಿಕ ಹಾಕಿನಿ ರೂಪಧಾರಿಣಿ ಸಹಸ್ರದಳ ಪದ್ಮಸ್ಥ ಸರ್ವವರ್ಣೋಪಶೋಭಿತ ಸರ್ವಾಯುಧಧರ ಶುಕ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥಿತ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖಿ ಸರ್ವೋದನ ಪ್ರೀತ ಚಿತ್ತ ಯಾಕಿನ್ಯಾಂಬ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ ಸ್ವಧಾಮತಿರ್ಮೇಧ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಸ್ಮೃತಿರನುತ್ತಮ ಪುಣ್ಯಕೀರ್ತಿ ಪುಣ್ಯಲಭ್ಯ ಪುಣ್ಯಶ್ರವಣ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಪುಲೋಮಜಾರ್ಜಿತ ಬಂಧ ಮೋಚನಿ ಬಂಧುರಾಲಕ ವಿಮರ್ಶ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ವ್ಯದಾದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ವ್ಯದಾದಿ ಜಗತ್ಪ್ರಸು ಸರ್ವವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಪ್ರಶಮನಿ ಸರ್ವಮೃತ್ಯು ನಿವಾರಿಣಿ ಅಗ್ರಗಣ್ಯ ಚಿಂತ್ಯ ರೂಪ ಕಲಿಕಲ್ಮಶನಾಶಿನಿ ತಾಂಬೂಲ ಪೂರಿತ ಮುಖಿ ದಾಡಿಮಿ ಕುಸುಮ ಪ್ರಭಾ ಮೃಗಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಮೃಡಾಳಿ ಮಿತ್ರ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ತೃಪ್ತ ಭಕ್ತ ನಿಧಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿ ನಿಖಿಲೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮೈತ್ರ್ಯಾದಿವಾಸನಾ ಲಭ್ಯ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಳಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಣಿ ಪರಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಪರಾನಿಷ್ಠ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಗಣ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಮಾಧ್ವೀಪಾನಲಸ ಮಾತಾ ಮಾತೃಕಾ ವರ್ಣ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಮಹಾಕೈಲಾಸ ನಿಲಯ ಮೃಡಾಳ ಮೃದುದೌಲತ ಮಹನೀಯ ದಯಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮಹಾಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯಶಾಲಿನಿ ಆತ್ಮವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಾಮ ಸೇವಿತ ಶ್ರೀ ಷೋಡಶಾಕ್ಷರಿ ವಿದ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಕೋಟ ಕಾಮಕೋಟಿಕ ಕಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ಕಿಂಕರೀಭೂತ ಕಮಲಾ ಕೋಟಿ ಸೇವಿತ ಶಿರಸ್ಥಿತ ಚಂದ್ರ ನಿಭ ಬಾಲಸ್ತೇಂದ್ರಧನುಪ್ರಭಾ ಹೃದಯಸ್ತಾರ ವಿಪ್ರಖ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಕೋಣಾಂತರ ದೀಪಿಕಾ ದಾಕ್ಷಾಯಿಣಿ ದೈತ್ಯಹಂತ್ರಿ ದಕ್ಷ ಯಜ್ಞ ವಿನಾಶಿನಿ ಧರಾಂದಲಿತ ದೀರ್ಘಾಕ್ಷಿ ಧರಸೋಜ್ವಲನ್ಮುಖಿ ಗುರುಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗುಣನಿಧಿ ಗೋಮಾತಾ ಗುಹ ಜನ್ಮಭೂ ದೇವೇಶಿ ದಂಡ ನೀತಿಸ್ಥಃ ದರಹ ಆಕಾಶ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಪ್ರತಿಪನ್ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾಂತ ತಿಥಿಮಂಡಲ ಪೂಜಿತ ಕಲಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಕಲಾನಾಥ ಕಾವ್ಯಾಲಾಪ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ಸಚಾಮರ ರಮಾವಾಣಿ ಸವ್ಯ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಸೇವಿತ ಆದಿಶಕ್ತಿ ರಮೇಯಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮ ಪಾವನ ಕೃತಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕೋಟಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಜನನಿ ದಿವ್ಯ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಕ್ಲಿಂಕಾರಿ ಕೇವಲ ಗುವ್ಯ ಕೈವಲ್ಯ ಪದದಾನಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರಾತ್ರಿ ಜಗದ್ವಂದ್ವ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ವರಿ ತ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿ ದಿವ್ಯ ಗಂಧಾಢ್ಯ ಸಿಂಧೂರ ತಿಲಕಾಂಚಿತ ಉಮಾ ಶೈಲೇಂದ್ರ ತನಯ ಗೌರಿ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಸೇವಿತ ವಿಶ್ವಗರ್ಭ ಸ್ವರ್ಣಗರ್ಭ ವರದಾ ವಾಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ಧ್ಯಾನಗಮ್ಯ ಪರಿಚ್ಛೇದ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಸರ್ವ ವೇದಾಂತ ಸಂವೇದ್ಯ ಸತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಲೋಪಾಮುದ್ರಾಜಿತ ಲೀಲಾ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಮಂಡಲ ಅದೃಶ್ಯ ದೃಶ್ಯ ರಹಿತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತ್ರಿ ವೇದ್ಯ ವರ್ಜಿತ ಯೋಗಿನಿ ಯೋಗದ ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಯೋಗಾನಂದ ಯುಗಂಧರ ಇಚ್ಛಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಶಕ್ತಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸರ್ವಾಧಾರ ಸುಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಸದಸದ್ರೂಪಧಾರಿಣಿ ಅಷ್ಟಮೂರ್ತಿ ರಜಾ ಜೈತ್ರಿ ಲೋಕಯಾತ್ರ ವಿದಾಯಿನಿ ಏಕಾಂಗಿನಿ ಭೌಮರೂಪ ನಿದ್ವೈತಾದ್ವೈತ ವರ್ಜಿತ ಅನ್ನದ ವಸುಧಾ ವೃದ್ಧ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾತ್ಮೈಕ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಬೃಹತಿ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಿ ಭ್ರಾಮಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದ ಬಲಿಪ್ರಿಯ ಭಾಷಾ ರೂಪ ಬೃಹತ್ ಸೇನ ಭಾವ ವಿಭಜಿತ ಸುಖಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಶುಭಕರಿ ಶೋಭನಾ ಸುಲಭ ಗತಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದಾಯಿನಿ ರಾಜ್ಯವಲ್ಲಭ ರಾಜ್ಯಕೃಪಾ ರಾಜಪೀಠ ನಿಷೇವಿತ ನಿಜಾಶ್ರಿತ ರಾಜ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೋಶನಾಥ ಚತುರಂಗಬಲೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದಾಯಿನಿ ಸತ್ಯಸಂಧ ಸಾಗರ ಮೇಘಲ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ ದೈತ್ಯ ಶಮನಿ ಸರ್ವಲೋಕವಶಂಕರಿ ಸರ್ವಾರ್ಥದಾತ್ರಿ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ದೇಶಕಾಲ ಪರಿಚ್ಛಿನ್ನ ಸರ್ವಗ ಸರ್ವಮೋಹಿನಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮಯಿ ಗುಹಾಂಬ ಗುವ್ಯ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸರ್ವೋಪಾಧಿ ವಿನಿರ್ಮುಕ್ತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಪತಿವ್ರತ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಗುರುಮಂಡಳ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕುಲೋತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಭಗಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಮಾಯಾ ಮಧುಮತಿ ಮಹಿ ಗುಣಾಂಬ ಗುವ್ಯಕಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಕೋಮಲಾಂಗಿ ಗುರುಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸರ್ವತಂತ್ರೇಶಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಸನಕಾದಿ ಸಮಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಶಿವಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರದಾಯಿನಿ ಚಿತ್ಕಲಾನಂದ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಪ್ರೇಮ ರೂಪ ಪ್ರಿಯಂಕರಿ ನಾಮ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಪ್ರೀತ ನಂದಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ನಟೇಶ್ವರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಜಗದಾಧಿಷ್ಠಾನ ಮುಕ್ತಿದ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಲಾಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಲಯಕರಿ ಲಜ್ಜಾರಂಭ ವಂದಿತ ಭವದ ವಸುಧಾ ವೃಷ್ಟ ಪಾಪಾರಣ್ಯದ ವಾನಲ ದೌರ್ಭಾಗ್ಯ ತೂಲ ವಾತೂಲ ಜರತ್ವಾಂತರ ವಿಪ್ರಭಾ ಭಾಗ್ಯಾದಿ ಚಂದ್ರಿಕಾ ಭಕ್ತ ಚಿತ್ತ ಕೇಕಿ ಗನಾಗನ ರೋಗ ಪರ್ವತದಂಬೋಲಿ ಮೃತ್ಯುದಾರ ಕುಟಾರಿಕ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಮಹಾಕಾಳಿ ಮಹಾಗ್ರಾಸ ಮಹಾಶನ ಅಪರ್ಣಾ ಚಂಡಿಕಾ ಚಂಡಮುಂಡಾಸುರ ನಿಶೋಧಿನಿ ಶರಾಶರಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸರ್ವಲೋಕೇಶಿ ವಿಶ್ವಧಾರಿಣಿ ತ್ರಿವರ್ಗದಾತ್ರಿ ಸುಭಗ ತ್ರಯಂಬಕ ತ್ರಿಗುಣಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾಪವರ್ಗದ ಶುದ್ಧ ಜಪ ಪುಷ್ಪ ನಿಭಾಕೃತಿ ಓಜೋವತಿ ದ್ಯುತಿಧರ ಯಜ್ಞರೂಪ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವ್ರತ ದುರಾರಾಧ್ಯ ದುರಾದರ್ಶ ಪಾಟಳಿ ಕುಸುಮ ಪ್ರಿಯ महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया वीराराड्या विराड्रूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यगोपा पराकाशा पार्णदा प्राणरूपिणी मार्तांड भैरवाराध्या मंत्रिणी नित्य राज्यदू त्रिपुरेशी जयसेना निस्सैकुण्या परापरा सत्यज्ञानानंद रूपा सामरस्य परायणी कपर्दिनी कलामाला कामदुःखामरूपिणी कलानिधि काव्य कला रसज्ञा रसशेवदी पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्य पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा परम ज्योति परम धाम परमाणु परात्परा पाशहस्ता पाशहंत्री परमंत्र विभेदिनी मूर्ता मूर्ता नित्य तृप्ता मुनिमानसांसिका सत्यव्रता सत्यरूपा सर्वंतर्यामिनी सती ब्रह्मिणी ब्रह्मजननी बहुरूपा दुधाजिता प्रसवित्री प्रचंडाग्ना प्रतिष्ठा प्रकटाकृति ओज प्राणेश्वरी प्राणदात्री पंचषट्पीठ रूपिणी वृषिंगला विविक्तस्था वीरमाता वियत्प्रसु मुकुंदा मुक्ति निलया मूल विग्रह रूपिणी भवज्ञा भवरोगग्नि भवचक्र प्रवर्तिनी चंद्रसारा शास्त्रसारा मंत्रसारा तलोदरी उदार कीर्तिरुद्दामा वैभवा वर्ण रूपिणी जन्म मृत्यु जरा तप्ता जन विश्रांतिदायिनी सर्वोपाधि विनिर्दुष्टा शांत्यातीत कलात्मिका गंभीरा गगनांतस्था गर्भिता गानलोलुपा कल्पना रहिता काष्ठा कांताद विग्रह कार्यकारण निर्मुक्ता कामकेलितरंगिता कनकनकताटंका लीला विग्रह रूपिणी अजक्षय विनिर्मुक्ता मुक्ता क्षिप्र प्रसादिनी अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुखा सुदुर्लभा त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्ता त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा स्मृति संसार पंक निर्मग्ना समुद्धरण पंडिता यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञकर्त्री यजमान स्वरूपिणी धर्माधाराधनाध्यक्ष धनधान्य विवर्धिनी विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी विश्वग्रासा विद्रुमाभा वैष्णवी विष्णुरूपिणी अयोनि योनि निलया कूटस्था कुलरूपिणी वीरगोष्ठी प्रिया वीर्य नैष्कर्म्या नादरूपिणी विज्ञान कलना कल्या विदग्धा वैंदवासना तत्वादिका तत्वमयी तत्वमात्र स्वरूपिणी सामगान प्रिया सौम्या सदाशिव कुटुंबिनी सव्यापसव्य मार्गस्था सर्वापाद्वि निवारिणी स्वस्था स्वभाव मधुरा धीरा धीर समर्चिता चैतन्याज्ञ समाराध्य चैतन्य कुसुम प्रिया सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्य पाटला दक्षिणा दक्षिणाराध्या धरस्मेरु मुकाम्बुजा कौलिनी केवना नज्ञ कैवल्य पददायिनी स्तोत्र प्रिया स्तुतिमति श्रुति संस्तुत वैभवा मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मंगलाकृति विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिनी प्रगल्भा परमोद्धारा परमोद्धा मनोन्मयी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पंचयज्ञ प्रिया पंचप्रेता मंचादिशायिनी पंचमी पंचभूतेशी पंच संख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शंभु मोहिनी धराधर सुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका बंधुक कुसुम प्रख्या बालालील विदोदिनी सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी सुवासिन्यर्चना प्रीता शोभना शुद्ध मानसा बिंदु तर्पण संतुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुरांबिका दशमुद्र समाराध्या त्रिपुरा शिवशंकरी ज्ञान मुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेय स्वरूपिणी योनि मुद्रा त्रिकंडेशी त्रिगोणांबा त्रिगोणगा अनगाद्भुत चारित्रा वांछितार्थ प्रदायिनी अभ्यासातिशय ज्ञात षडद्वांतीत रूपिणी अव्याज करुणामूर्तिरज्ञानद्वांत दीपिका आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्री शिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका एवं श्रीललिता देव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगुः आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्री शिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका एवं श्रीललिता देव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगुः आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीशिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका एवं श्रीललितादेव्यां नाम्नां सहस्रकं जगु. Knowingly or unknowingly, if I have done anything mistake in the ucharane or in the chanting or in sharing anything, I ask forgiveness to Mother. You can also ask forgiveness to Mother. I'll end with the Artik. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. Thank you so much. Love you all, and you can connect back on full moon day or the new moon day. And even the little contribution, like starting from 100 rupees, 50 rupees, whatever it is, right? If you contribute, it will add on to this particular satsang account. People who cannot pay now, you can pay whenever you want. There is no restriction. And supporting volunteers and also for the painting initiative, anybody like, you can always like join the groups, stay in the group, because I alone cannot sustain this particular group because I am still working and I have my own family also to take care and other things. So if it is a collective effort, right, it will help for us. Instead of me touching one life, it is like we. It will become from me to we. I'll share my link. It is display your painting to see. That is the one what you see on the screen, Lalita Devi painting. I also do abstract painting, the Lalita Devi painting, which is 3 feet by 4 feet. It is displayed in Kanchi Kamakshi. And if you want to see, it is right there in my house also, big size. It is 3 feet by 4 feet. That is my son. And I have a sankalpa to create 1,000 such paintings, and currently 10 are done. 10 are done, yes. And one is in Mysore Chamundeshwari temple, displayed Mysore Chamundeshwari temple, and Kanchi Kamakshi also. They have displayed it in spite of thousands of years of old temple. They have displayed my painting, which was an inspiration to start teaching Lalita Sahasranama, because thousands of years of old temple, just outside the temple, when you step out, I have all the details. I can share it to you. You get the handmade one also. You get the print also. Handmade one, bigger size. It takes 2 months to 3 months because I take care of my family also, working and many other things. Minimum 30 days it will take. That too, if I put my heart and soul to do that. Otherwise, sometimes it gets delayed also if I come across my office work becomes more and all. I'm currently working as a software engineer with some company, and earlier worked with Google also, but I had to quit it because I had to join my husband in US with the children and multiple other challenges. I don't have any regret for anything, no complaints. He's also a wonderful person. I have wonderful children, wonderful everything. So I want to share that wonderfulness to everybody else. That's all. I'll share the details. You can ping me, you can message me separately on my WhatsApp number or in the same whatever number you feel comfortable. I'll share the details. All right. Thank you. Wonderful voice, ma'am. Yes, it is. I feel it's Devi's voice speaking through me. I feel I'm a messenger for her. And even the painting, what I've done, it is like, it is the colors and all. When I did not know Lalita Sahasranama is what I have done the painting. And the painting has the exact colors what the Lalita Sahasranama explanation tells. So it is like red sari, red ruby crown. It is like exact explanation without my knowledge, blindly, when I had done it 10 years back. And now I get to know that I get goosebumps, like, and it is Kamakshi Avtara. And one of the incident, my son experienced the eyes moving of the painting also. When we did some Baba Puja, the painting itself felt like it got like Prana Pratishtapana done. And the one to Shrungeri Shankar Math. Yes, there is a initiative to do that. I'll be so glad and happy. Yeah. Yeah. I saw a blue color down in the bottom. Does that mean any? Yeah. In Kanchi Kamakshi, if you visit, right, there is right Sri Chakra. Sri Chakra, that is the blue color is a Sri Chakra. This is iconography of Kanchi Kamakshi. So if you Devi is sitting, Lalita Devi is the iconography of Kanchi Kamakshi. So Devi is sitting and below is the Sri Chakra, and then that is how that blue color comes. So it is an amazing, beautiful experience, and people who have bought it and wherever I'm like given it, right, it is like it looks like blue clouds. No, I'll say share you the video in the group so that you can get a feel of it. Anybody has any other questions? You can talk. You can unmute and talk. Uh, Thank you so much, sir, for the Shringeri Math also. I will be glad, and there is a waiting time of 2-3 months. So based on that, we can talk about it, and I'll share you the like pricing details also, what it will cost me. Nobody has any questions. Thank you so much. So see you all, and people who want to learn the meanings of Lalita Sahasranama, I'll create a separate group, and I'm planning to bifurcate between people who know Kannada and people who don't know Kannada, because I can conduct sessions in Kannada also, and I can conduct sessions in English also. So people from Andhra and Tamil Nadu and Hindi speaking people, I want to bifurcate. So in Kannada, people who don't know English, I want to bifurcate. So I'll be creating groups for that. So you can reach me accordingly and join the respective groups. But this group will remain as is, and we will continue the full moon chanting and the Amavasya chanting, and also the satsang whenever. And people who want to reach me, you can reach me, you can message me, but you'll have to wait till I respond back. Please don't call me, because I see a lot of calls coming to my number. I don't want calls. Please message me, WhatsApp message. When I am free, I will call you back. Okay. Yeah, I'll see the date, October some 7th or 21st it comes. I will send out the message whenever I'm doing full moon day and this thing. Thank you so much. Love you all. Good night and happy Dashera. Bye bye.